Food unites all of us. All cultures, all communities, all religion, and in the end, all places. If you eat, you are a hunter, you are a fisherman, you are a farmer. You are intimately part of that system. When you start looking for your food, you find other people looking for their food, and they all have a different perspective on it. The best way you can possibly honor that is by going out there, finding your food, bringing it back, and sharing it. Telling the stories of where food comes from. It's a collective project feeding ourselves. We need nature. We need each other. We need all these things in place in order to survive. I'm Chad Breeley, and this is Salt, Fresh and Field.